Hello.
हेलो नमस्ते मैम ओम शांति
Namaste.
हाउ आर यू
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
आई एम आल्सो गुड
I'm sorry to be late.
नो प्रॉब्लम बट यू आर नॉट विजिबल
Well, I worry about my connectivity.
ओके
I'll say hello.
यस यस so let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanarchan Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra. Oh. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Oh. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Lija ma'am. So, what was our yesterday topic? Am I audible? Boni ma'am. Please keep your camera on. Nobody is visible. Yes. Am I audible? My voice is clear. Yasmin ma'am. Yasmin Said ma'am. Lisa ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you.
You can hear, but you are not visible.
Yes, the connection is really bad here because we're all using the same Wi-Fi.
Okay. What was our yesterday topic?
The respiratory system. And I think
Respiratory system.
we came to, I think the connection dropped at one point. Maybe we can repeat from yesterday.
Okay. From where? Effect of pranayam.
I think we did the lower respiratory tract and then it was gone.
After completion of lower respiratory tract. I was there after 2 minutes. Not after 2 minutes, after 1 minute.
We have a class at 1:45, so we have to leave.
Okay, okay. So write down lung volumes. After lower respiratory tract, the point is lung volumes. You completed lower respiratory tract?
Yes.
The parts of lower respiratory tract is trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli, lungs, pleura and diaphragm. Are you completed till diaphragm?
Yes.
Okay. So now write down lung volumes. L-U-N-G V-O-L-U-M-E-S. Lung volumes. The tidal capacity of lung. T-I-D-A-L. Tidal capacity. C-A-P-I-C-I-T-Y. Tidal capacity. What is tidal capacity? The amount of one breath in relaxed position. The amount of one breath in relaxed position. That is 500 ml. How much? 500 ml or half liter. Means we inhale 500 ml air in one breath in relaxed position. Second one is vital capacity. Vital capacity of lung, VITAL, vital capacity. Maximum amount of air inhaled in one breath. Maximum amount of air means forcefully inhalation in one breath is known as vital capacity, that is 4,500 ml. The vital capacity of lung is 4,500 ml or 4.5 liter, that is forcefully inhaled by one human being clear. And total capacity of lung is 6,000 ml or 6 liter. Total capacity of lung is 6 liter. Yeah, 6,000 ml or 6 liter. Now, next point is analysis of gases in respiration. Analysis of gases in respiration means which all are gases we inhale and which gases we exhale. The inhaled and exhaled gases divided into three groups: oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. And now we see how much percentage we inhale oxygen, how much percentage we inhale nitrogen, and how much percentage we inhale carbon dioxide. So inhaled air, oxygen is 21%. We inhale 21% oxygen. Amount of nitrogen is 79%. Amount of nitrogen is 79%. Yeah, these are the atmospheric percentage which we inhale through nostril. We inhale 21% oxygen, 79% nitrogen, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, that is negligible. 0.03% CO2. Yes. And now we will see amount of exhaled air. How much we exhaled, which type of gas have how much percentage in exhalation. The exhalation of oxygen is 16%. The exhalation of oxygen is 16%. And amount of nitrogen in exhalation is 79%, equal to inhalation. 79% we inhaled and 79% equal to inhalation we exhale, no change. And now come to CO2, carbon dioxide, we inhaled 0.03% and exhaled 4.97, not 47, 4.97 means near about 5% we exhaled. 4.97% we exhale CO2. Clear? Lija ma'am.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now proceed to effects of pranayam on breathing. Effects of pranayam. Pranayama. Pranayam on breathing. The word pran in Sanskrit, the word pran, Prana, in Sanskrit means vital energy or life force energy. That is vital energy or life force energy. Yogis believe that YOGIS, yogis believe that you can change the flow and qualities of your energetic. You can change the flow and qualities of your energetics, ENERGETICS, by breath control. You can change the flow and qualities of your energetics by breath control. Through altering your breath, you can change your state of mind. Through altering your breath, you can change your state of mind. For example, you may practice left nostril breathing. You may practice left nostril breathing, that is Chandrabhedi Pranayam, and be breathe, that is Bhramari Pranayam, to calm down. You may practice left nostril breathing and be breathe to calm down, or right nostril breathing, that is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Right nostril breathing and Kapal Bhati for alertness. Breathing technique, right nostril breathing and be breathe for calm down, and left nostril breathing and be breathe for calm down, and right nostril breathing and Kapal Bhati for alertness. Clear? Lija ma'am?
Yes, I will ask you if I've got questions. Thank you.
Any question? Any doubt? No question? Yasmin ma'am?
No, I'm good.
Explain again what the right nostril does.
Right nostril breathing. Right nostril breathing, that is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. You, I think you already learned in pranayam classes. Right nostril breathing.
Right.
Yes.
But that helps. It helps with alertness.
Yeah, alertness. That helps
Okay.
to an alertness. And second one is Kapal Bhati Pranayam.
Okay.
Kapal
Thank you.
Bhati. Okay. So our today's topic is human cells types of tissues and human organs. So we will start first human cell. What is human cell? Write down. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of body. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of body. Body consists several billion cells with different size, shape, and function. Body contains several billion cells with different size. Robert Hooke first invented the cell in 1665. Robert Hooke, R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert Hooke, H-O-O-K-E. Robert Hooke first invented the cell in 1665. Clear? But cell theory developed by, yes, first cell theory developed by microbiologist Sheldon and Swan, S-C-H-L-E-I-D-E-N, Sheldon, S-C-H-L-E-I-D-E-N, Sheldon and Swan, S-C-H-W-A-N-N, S-C-H-W-A-N-N, Swan. Cell theory developed by microbiologist Sheldon and Swan about properties of cell. About properties of cell. They give theory as like all living things are made of cells and their products. All living things are made of cells and their products. All living things are made of cells and their products. New cells are created by old cells divided into two. New cells are created by old cells divided into two. Means when old cell divide into two, then new cell will take form. Cells are basic building block of life. Cells are basic building block of life. The modern concept says activity of an organism. The modern concept says The activity of an organism depends on total activity of independent cell. Activity of an organism depends on total activity of independent cell. Energy flow occurs in cells. Energy flow occurs in cells through breakdown of carbohydrates. Yes. Energy flow occurs in cells through breakdown of carbohydrates by respiration. Energy flow occurs in cells through breakdown of carbohydrates by respiration. Cells contain information. Cells contain CONTIN. Cells contain information necessary for creation of new cells. Cells contain information that is necessary for creation of new cells. Now we will look cell structure. Cell structure. There is 9 properties of cell. There is 9 property of cell. The first is cell membrane. Outer edge means outer covering of cell is cell membrane. CELLMEMBRANE, cell membrane. Second is nucleus. NUCLEUS, nucleus, found in center of cell. The third property is cytoplasm. 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 Yeah, cytoplasm. The fourth is cell organelles. CELLORGANELLES. Cell organelles. And the fifth property is mitochondria. MITOCHANDRIA. Mitochondria. That is powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. And sixth property is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. ENDOPLASMIC. Endoplasmic reticulum. RETICULAM. Endoplasmic reticulum. And endoplasmic reticulum have two parts, softer part and rougher part. Rougher endoplasmic reticulum and softer or smoother endoplasmic reticulum. The seventh property is Golgi apparatus. Golgi, Golgi apparatus. APPARATUS. Golgi apparatus. That is post office of cell. Its works like post office, means providing information one place to another place inside the cell. The eighth property is ribosomes or ribosomes. RIBOSOMES, ribosomes. That is protein factory. Ribosomes is protein factory. And the last property is lysosomes. LYSOSOMES, lysosomes. That is suicidal bag. SUICIDAL, suicidal bag, BAG, suicidal bag, that engulf the old cell, known as suicidal bag. Name of the suicidal bag is lysosomes, that found inside the cell, and it himself engulf the old cell. So these are the 9 properties of cell. Yeah, cell death is there in when the lysosomes engulf the cell. These are the 9 properties of cell. Now write down the functions of cell. Functions of cell. It provides support and structure. Cell provides support and structure. For whom? To body. It provides support and structure to body, because cells are the basic building block of life. It facilitates growth. It facilitates growth. And transport and provide transport of substances. Means it also work as a transport. And produces energy also. It produces energy. Clear? Lija ma'am?
Yes, can you repeat the second one?
Second one, function or cell structure.
Okay.
Cell is, you want to know about cell structure. Second one, nucleus. And function of the function of cell is facilitate growth. Second function is it facilitate growth. FACILITATE, facilitate growth. GROWTH.
Okay, thank you.
Clear? So this was all about human cells related to yoga anatomy. Any question? No question? So we will move further to our next topic, that is types of tissues. Types of tissues. It comes, tissue word comes from French word. It is French word. Tissue is French word. The meaning of tissue is to weave. The meaning of tissue is to weave. W-E-A-V-E. Weave. Tissue is defined as the group of similar cells. Tissue, T-I-S-S-U-E, tissue is defined as the group of similar cells from the same origin, that carry out a specific function, and are classified according to the size, shape and function, of their constituent cells. Animal tissue is divided into 4 major types. Animal tissue is divided into 4 major types called primary tissue. The first tissue is epithelial tissue. Squamous, S-Q-U-A-M-A-S, squamous, cuboidal, Q-U-B-O-I-D-A-L, cuboidal, and columnar epithelium are epithelial tissues. Squamous, cuboidal, and columnar, C-O-L-U-M-N-A-R, columnar epithelium, E-P-I-T-H-E-L-I-A-M, epithelium, are epithelial tissues. Yes. They provide protection, secretion, and absorption. They provide protection, P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-O-N, protection, secretion, S-E-C-R-E-T-I-O-N, secretion, and absorption, A-B-S-O-R-P-T-I-O-N, absorption. Second is connective tissue. The second type of tissue is connective tissue. Connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone, and blood are connective tissues. Connective tissue proper, P-R-O-P-E-R. Cartilage, C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E, cartilage, bone, and blood are connective tissues. Yes, cartilage, bone, and blood. They provide binding and structural support. They provide binding and structural support, give protection to body and provide transportation. Give protection to body and provide transportation.
I think we have to stop here, otherwise we'll be late for the next class.
Just 2 minutes. I will take only 2 minutes for two next tissues. Okay. Third one is muscle tissue. Skeletal, 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 smooth, 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 and cardiac muscles are muscle tissues. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac are muscle tissues. They provide movement, posture, and contraction and retraction. They provide movement, posture, and contraction and relaxation. Clear? Fourth and last tissue is nervous tissue. Nervous. Nervous tissue. Nervous and supporting cells. Nervous and supporting cells are nervous tissues. They control and coordinate intellectual activities. They control and coordinate intellectual activities. So this was all about types of tissues. Four types of tissues. Sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Inhale for 1 time Om Shri Shanti together. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class. We will meet tomorrow again.